The POWRUI Outlet Extender Power Strip is a versatile surge protector designed to expand your electrical outlets while offering convenient USB charging. Featuring 6 AC outlets arranged on 3 sides and 3 USB ports including 1 USB-C, it combines space-saving design with practical functionality. This ETL-listed power strip also integrates a soft LED night light with adjustable brightness to enhance usability in low-light environments. This power strip provides 1680 joules of surge protection through a 3-level circuit system, ensuring reliable defense against power spikes. The outlets are widely spaced at 2.1 inches apart, accommodating larger adapters without blocking neighboring sockets. The USB ports deliver a total of 3.4 amps for fast charging, although the USB-C port does not support devices requiring 14 to 22 volts. Its compact size and lightweight build make it suitable for various indoor settings, from bedrooms to offices. Ideal for users needing multiple device connections with added safety, this power strip offers convenience and peace of mind. Its night light feature makes it especially useful in bedrooms or hallways. Backed by POWRUI's customer service